Dude.
That's a group of zebras.
Oh my God, look at the size of that thing.
Look at the size of those zebras.
Look at the size of this thing, dude.
Yeah, look at the size of
Oh
that.
my
Oh,
gosh.
Look at those. Look at them.
Don't yell, buddy.
Look at that.
Are you serious? Okay.
I'm serious.
It's a little,
A little intimidating.
yeah.
He has
Look at this thing.
he,
Luke, look at this thing, dude.
he has big nose. Holes. Look at that.
Holy cow.
Holy cow.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Mama.
Can you believe this?
Oh, Mama. Hi.
Oh, there's more.
Guess what? I see another one zebra.
Luke, do you want to come over here and pet this?
I
Hey,
see him.
do you want to come over here and pet
It
this
looks
thing?
very woolly.
Mm-mm.
Come over here.
Looks very woolly.
Don't put your hands in his mouth, but touch his nose. Like this. Touch his nose.
Like kind of like a yak. Like what I would expect a yak to look like. Look at that zebra just right
Dude.
there. I see it. You see that zebra?
Oh my
He
goodness.
just wiped your car.
This is so cool, dude.
He just is wiping your car.
Dude, this is so cool. Luke, are you not so excited about this?
I'm super excited.
Look, there's just a zebra hanging out. It's just
I cannot
Mama.
believe this.
Mama,
Big old buffalo head.
I'm
Hi.
super excited for our trip.
this is pretty cool. Mama?
Oh, did you do this for him or for me?
I'm not sure anymore. I just wanted to pet you.
Here, let me scooch forward a little
It's
bit.
okay. It's okay. He's good.
No, pet him.
No, I did. It's okay. It's okay. He scares Will a little bit, but I don't think we're going anywhere, are we?
I'm
Look at
inching
this guy.
forward.
Well, I mean, this guy's crossing the road here.
Oh,
There's,
look at that
there's more
mud.
buffalo up here. Dude, this is pretty neat. We can do this again next time we come through here. Next time I come to Callaway Gardens to go golfing, I'm the only one in the car. I'll do it again.
I just see you guys all a little slaughtered.
Oh, let's
That
stop.
would be pretty cool, actually. Here's a little baby buffalo.
Probably have to talk him back into the car. or
Look,
something.
there's a longhorn.
Rent a van.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Hi.
Look at the longhorn steer up there. Oh, I don't have anything for you, buddy. We're not allowed to give you Doritos.
They're not good for you, they say. It's okay, baby.
All right, there's the longhorn up there. There's some more over
Hey, Daddy, that's a super longhorn
there. Yeah, I
one.
know. Look, there's more of them over there. Let's come check this dude out. All right.
Hi.
Sorry, buddy. I don't have any food for you. Oh, he tried to hit me with his horn.
He's mad at you.
Yeah.
He's like, "What you get?"
Did you see him try to hit me with the horn?
Yeah. He's like, no, you're not feeding me. I don't care about you.
You're not petting me.
Well, that guy's just compassionate. Well, that guy's just
Hi.
interesting.
Is he?
No food, buddy.
I'm sorry. We didn't know.
Yeah, we should have got 2 5-gallon buckets full. We didn't know. I'll know next time.
You know, next time, yeah. I see.
Mama,
I see it, Buffy.
what if we brought 100 food to feed all the animals?
Next time, we will do that.
3/4 waypoint.
Mama,
Yes, babe. What are those
What or what?
on the road?
look at those baby deer.
I see them.
Look at that.
They're
Look
called fawn.
Look at those 2 little bitty hogs.
I see.
That big hog might
There's
be.
buffalo and cows.
Because that's normal.
Mama,
Mhm. Look at this dude just sitting here chillaxing, watching the sunset.
Goal number 77.
I'm gonna keep moving. No, I'm not stopping. I'm not stopping.
I'm not stopping.
Dude, your breath stinks. Big time.
Oh, he's coming on my
You
side.
want to pet him?
Oh, he wants to eat me.
He doesn't want to eat you,
Oh,
buddy.
there's a
He
little
wants your
baby
food.
cow. What's up? What's up, dude?
Nate?
Little, yeah, come on. Little baby cow. And then there's another big buffalo.
Another. Mama,
He's not as big as that
Yeah,
other one
babe.
was.
next time let's get
But this is
180
pretty neat.
cups.
Oh,
Tongue.
oh man.
Oh. Like I'm gonna
Ooh.
need a seriously good detail job on this car.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. There we go.
Mama. Hey, Daddy. Daddy, come here. Look.
What do you see?
A baby little deer.
Oh, I
I
see
don't
it.
have any food.
We don't have anything, buddy. I want to touch your horn though. Oh wow.
Dad, look what I'm doing.
Holy cow.
Dad,
Oh,
He wasn't a fan of that. That's cool, dude.
I don't think you're supposed to do that, buddy. Here, sit down.
All right.
Sit down so we don't get in
All right,
trouble.
buddy.
Okay? Thank you, babe.
Let's keep it moving.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, buddy.
Later, dude.